Hello friends, welcome back to Speedmaths class from My Exam Coaching. Today we are going to learn three very important topics. What are the three important topics we are going to learn today? Number one, first we will be learning a special division by number 9 and 99. Any number of digits like 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number or 6-digit number, any number of digits if given to you, how to divide that number by 9 and 99 using Speedmaths method. That is the first topic what we are going to learn today. Then we will be learning the Pythagorean triplets. What are the Pythagorean triplets? What is Pythagoras Theorem and how Pythagorean triplets can be used in Pythagoras Theorem and how to remember that. That is the second topic what we are going to learn today. And then we will be learning the third topic today is how to convert special fractions into decimal form. Some special fractions we have that can be converted into decimal form using Vedic method very quickly. So how we can do that? These are the three topics we are going to learn today. And I'm sure students preparing for their school exams and students studying in class 9, class 10, 11, etc. For them, this video will be very useful. I'm 100% sure. And not only that, aspirants who are preparing for competitive exams like banking, then RRB, TNPSC, SSC, this type of exams, this type of questions are very common. So it will be useful for those students also. So let us go to the topic and let us see what are these topics about. So first what we are going to learn is a special division about 9 and 99. Division by 9 and 99. So first we will go with the number 9. Let us take a number. Let us start with a 2-digit number, 3-digit number. For example, let us start a 3-digit number. For example, I am taking 463, a random number. And now you want to divide this number by 9. So what is a school method or a conventional method we do? We will divide this by 9 and we will take 4 first. 4 it is not possible, then we will take 46. Then we will see how many times 46, 9 will go in 46. So we will write that number, then remainder is taken here, then the 3 is taken bottom, then a new number is formed. Again we will see the multiplication table and so on. We will continue and finally we will get a quotient here and we will get a remainder here. The answer will be same, but the only difference is it will be time consuming. So what is the Speedmaths method by which we can divide this number by 9? That is what we are going to learn today. So what you have to do, you have to divide this number by 9. So when you want to divide this number by 9 by using Speedmaths methods, what you have to do is just put this 4 here. Just put this 4 here and add this 4 with this 6. Add this 4 with this 6 and you will get 10 here. Add this 10 with this 3 and you will get 13 here. You understood the steps? First put this 4 here and take this 4 to this 6, 4 plus 6, 10 here. Take this 10 to this 3, 10 plus 3 you got 13. So now what is the next method? We can only put 1 digits at a place. So what we will do, we will put 0 here and take this 1, carry this side. So 1 will be carry this side. So 4 will become 5. Here it will be 0. From here 1 will be carried. So this 0 will become 1. And last 1 and 3, these two numbers you have to add, 1 and 3, 4, and put a line here. So when you divide 463 by 9, your quotient, the quotient what we are going to get is 51 and the remainder will be 4. What I want to tell you is 463 when you divide by 9, the answer will be 51 and after division finally the remainder will be 4. Even if you do the conventional method, this will be the answer and this will be the remainder. So how fast we can calculate a division by 9 using Speedmaths method. So we'll go with one more example. If you have not noted this, you can pause the video and note it. We'll go with one more example, one more 2-digit number. So division by 9 is easy. I want to divide 843 by 9. So what is the method we have learned? First we have to put 8 here, then 8 plus 4, 12, then 12 plus 3, 15. This is the first step we have to do. Then we can keep only 1 digits here. So remaining digits you have to carry. So 8, this 1 will be carried this side. So 8 will become 9. 2 will be balanced here. This 1 will be carried here. So that 2 plus 1 will become 3. And finally, to get the remainder, you have to add the digits in the last bracket. To get the remainder, what you have to do? You have to add the digits in the last bracket. So 1 plus 5, 6. So what is the answer? When you divide 843 by 9, you will be getting quotient is equal to 93 and remainder will be equal to 6. You can check it. This will be the correct answer. You understood it? Okay. You want one more example? Fine. We will go with one more example. So this time we will take a number called 716, suppose. So 716 you divide by 9. So now you can do it easily. First 7, that 7 will be added here, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 will be added here, 8 plus 16, you got 14. So now 8 plus 7 plus 8 and this 1 will be carried here, this will become 79, and to get the remainder you have to add the digits in the last bracket. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 will become 5. So your answer will be 79 is your quotient and 5 will be your remainder. So this is the method of division by 9. So we have learned what is the division by 9. Now let us see what is the division by 99. So now for dividing a number by 9, we have taken one digit at a time. So if you want to divide a number by 99, you have to take two digits at a time. So we will be doing some pairing here. So for example, 4, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2. This number you want to divide by 99. You want to divide this number by 99. So what we do, 99 is a two-digit number. Earlier we have taken 9, 9 was a single digit number. That is the reason we have taken one digit at a time. Here 99 is a two-digit number. So what we do is, we will be pairing this number from the right. So from the right, when I pair this number, I will get like this. This type I have paired the numbers 2, 2, 2. So now first thing what I have to do is, I have to take this 42 down. Then again this 42 I will be adding here. So I will get 501 and this 501 will be added here. So I will get 517. Now from here 99 is a two-digit number. We are dividing this number by what? We are dividing it by 99. So 99 is a two-digit number. So two digits only can be placed here. So remaining digit you have to carry this side. So 43 and this 1 will come here. This will become 43. 42 plus 1, 43. And here 117, this 1 will be coming here. So 05 and will become 06. And this is your quotient. And to get the remainder, you have to, what you have to do, you have to add this 1 with the last two digits. The 1 plus 17 will be 18. So what you got, when you divide this number by 99, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. One more example, we will go with one more example and it will be cleared. You want to divide a number, for example, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4. You have to divide this number by what? Divide this number by 99. So what is our method? From the right, pair it to 2. Then answer is written like this. First 21 is written here. That 21 is added here. So you will get, this one will be 53. That 53 will be added here. So you got this one 67. Now the first two pair will be your quotient and last one will be your remainder when you divide this number by 99. So here it is easy because here you got a remainder less than 99. So directly you can take it as a remainder. But suppose sometimes this number will be more than 99. It is more than 100. The last example we have seen it is equal to 117. In that case, the system is little different. Here directly you can take, because 67 is a number less than 99. So definitely a remainder of 67 is possible when you divide a number by 99. Always remainder will be always less than 99, isn't it? So when a number more than 99 comes in the last part, then only you have to be little careful. We'll go with one more example where we'll get a number more than 99. Be very careful what we are doing it. 431,683. So now I want to just divide this number by 99. So what is the method? From the right, we have to pair it to 2 each. Then what is the answer? First I will write 43 here, and that 43 will be added here. When I add that 43 here, I will get what? 9 and 5, 59. When I add this 59 here, I got 2 and 4, 142. Now 142 cannot be a remainder when a number is divided by 99, because we know whenever you divide a number by 99, the remainder will be always less than 99. Whenever you divide a number by 99, the remainder will be always less than 99. So 142 cannot be a remainder when a number is divided by 99. So what we are going to do here, just listen. 43, 59. Since 142 only 2 digits are placed here, the remaining one will be added here. So this 59 will become 60. So your answer will be 4360. That is your quotient. That is a quotient. Now how to get the remainder? Remainder is last 2 digits is 42, and with that 42 this 1 is added. So 1 plus 42, answer will be 43. That is your remainder. You got it? This 1 will be added here to get the quotient. So why? Because 142 is a remainder, last number we got. In 142, if you divide 99, what is the method? This pairing will be like this. So this 1 will come here, that 1 will be added here. So that will become 43. So 1 is the quotient and 43 is the remainder. So this 1 also will be added with this 51. So to get 60. So 4360 and remainder will be 43. So you understood? So this method is very, very useful for dividing a number by 99, 9, etc. So with more and more questions, we will solve it in the next video. When we will have that problem solutions video, then we will solve more and more questions. This is only a concept clarity given to you. So what is the next topic we are going to learn today? The next topic is Pythagorean triplets. Yeah. So what is Pythagorean triplet? Pythagorean triplet is nothing but a group of 3 numbers which numbers will follow a Pythagoras theorem. So then what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is applicable to right angled triangles. So let us take a right angled triangle ABC. Let us take a right angled triangle ABC, and it is right angled at B. So B is 90 degree, and we know the side which is opposite to 90 degree, is called hypotenuse. So it is very well understood that hypotenuse will be the longest side in a right angled triangle. In any right angled triangle, hypotenuse will be the longest side. So this side will take as base and this side will take as height. Now what Pythagoras theorem says? Pythagoras theorem says hypo square, that is this square, will be equal to base square, this square plus height square. Hypo square, square of the longest side, will be equal to sum of the squares of other 2 sides. Square of the longest side will be equal to sum of the squares of other 2 sides. So any group of numbers which follow this theorem, they are known as Pythagorean triplet. So let us take a group of number. For example, first we are going to take is 3, 4 and 5. Let us check whether these 3 numbers follow this rule or not. 3, 4 and 5, the highest number is 5, and the highest number is always goes to hypotenuse. So 5 will be here, and 4 and 3 you can place anywhere in base or height. For example, I am placing 4 here and 3 here. So what I will get? 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. We have to check whether it is correct or not. 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16 I am getting 25. This is correct. So Pythagoras 3, 4 and 5, a group of numbers. These numbers follow Pythagoras theorem. So I can call them as Pythagorean triplet. So I have Pythagorean triplet 3 and 4 and 5. This group is a Pythagorean triplet, provided 5 will be the hypotenuse. Likewise, we can find out many Pythagorean triplets, many group of 3 numbers. So some of the examples we will do here today. Now let us take hypotenuse is equal to 10 and height is equal to 8 and base is equal to 6. And let us check whether this group makes a Pythagorean triplet or not. If this is a Pythagorean triplet, then it should follow what? 10 square should be equal to 8 square plus 6 square. Let us check it. 10 square will be 100, 8 square will be 64, and 6 square is 36. So when I add 64 and 36, I am getting 100. So 10, 8 and 6 are Pythagorean triplets. They form a group which follow Pythagoras theorem. Provided 10 is the highest, that will be the hypotenuse. So 10 is the hypotenuse, 8 and 6 are base and height. Now let us take one more example. Let me take this as 13, let me take this as 5 and this as 12. So what will happen? 13 square should be equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 13 square is what? 169. 12 square is what? 144. And 5 square is what? 25. So when I add 144 with the 25, I am getting 169. That means this will make a Pythagorean triplet. So I have got one more Pythagorean triplet, that is 5, 12 and 13. 13 being the highest number will be given to hypotenuse. Similarly, there are many Pythagorean triplets. We can find out many Pythagorean triplets, and aspirants, when you prepare for your competitive exams and whenever you get a Pythagorean triplets, make a note of all these things and remember it. Then you can save a lot of time whenever you are sitting in your exam hall and doing the questions. Last one more example we will see. We can take this as 25, we will take this as 24 and this as 7. So let us see, 25 square should be equal to 24 square plus 7 square. So 25 square is 625, 24 square is 576 and 7 square is 49. 576 plus 49, you are getting 625. So that is also a Pythagorean triplet. Which are the Pythagorean triplet? 7, 24 and 25. So this way you can find out lot of Pythagorean triplets. Whenever you practice for your competitive exams, make a note of all the Pythagorean triplets you have learned, then remember those things, then you can save a lot of time in your competitive exams. So this is the second topic. So what is the next topic we are going to learn today? That is special fraction. So special fraction is nothing but a fraction in which the denominator will have numbers like 5, 25, 125, etc. and how to convert such fractions into a decimal form very quickly, very easily. A fraction in which the denominator will have numbers like 5, 25 or 125, etc. If such numbers are asked in your exam, so how fast you can convert them into decimal form. For example, I have a number like 32 divided by 5. So I want what is the decimal form of this number. Generally, what is the method we use? 32 will be divided by 5. Then we will see in 3, 5 will not be divided. So 32, 6 times, 6 5s are 30. So then we will take this 2 down and put a 0 and put a point here. Then in 20, 5 will go 4 times. So 4 5s are 20. So you got the answer 6.4. So 6.4 is the decimal form of 32 by 5. So by doing this, you are wasting almost a minute. So we need not to do this. You can do it very quickly. How we can do it fast? Whenever you have 5 in the denominator, you double this number and divide by 10. 32 divided by 5, you double this number. Doubling this number means what? Multiplying by 2 and multiply that here also. So what you will get? Here you will get 64 and here you will get 5 into 2, 10. So whenever you want to divide a number by 10, what is the easy method we will do? We will put a decimal point here. So answer will be equal to what? 6.4. So what I want to tell you is, whenever you have 5 in the denominator, number 5 in the denominator, you want to find out this fraction equivalent, the decimal form of this fraction, then what you have to do is double the numerator and divide it by 10. Double the numerator and divide it by 10. So suppose you have 16 divided by 5 and this will be equal to what? Double 32. 32 means 3.2. Directly you can write. So for example, you want 48 divided by 5. So 48 double is 96. So your answer will be 9.6. So what actually we are doing? Doubling and dividing by 10. For example, you have 23 divided by 5. So you need not to do all these calculations, just double it. Double it means 46. 46 will become 4.6. So this way you can find out the answer. So this is the easy method of conversion of a fraction which have 5 in the denominator to a form which is called decimal form. So now let us take another example. The denominator number will be 25 now. Instead of 5, what will happen if the denominator is 25? You have to divide 60 divided by 25. So now we have seen 32 divided by 5, we are doubling it, just multiplying by 2. So when you have 25 here, you multiply this by 4. That means what? You are multiplying it by 4 means you are doubling it twice. So 60 multiplied by 4 will be 240 and 25 multiplied by 4 will be 100. Now it is easy for you to put the decimal point, it is 2.4. So what I want to tell you is just multiply the numerator by 4 and divide it by 100. Multiply the numerator by 4 and divide it by 100. So for example, I want 16 by 25. So my answer will be what? 0.64. How quickly I can write it? What is the method? 16 is my numerator. So what I have to do? I have to multiply this 16 by 4. When I multiply this 16 by 4, I will get 64. Then I have to divide it by what? Divided by 25 into 4, that is 100. So when I divide it by 100, I will get the answer 0.64. So that is answer. So directly I can write the answer. So same way, for example, I want 12 divided by 25. So what will be the answer? 12 into 4, 48 and divided by 100, 0.48. Isn't it? So I want 17 divided by 25. So 17 multiplied by 4, it will become 68. So 68 divided by 100, 0.68. So multiply the numerator by 4 and divide it by 100. So that is the easy method of converting this type of fractions into decimals. So the last special fraction is when the denominator have a number 125. So 5, what we have done? For when the denominator have 5 and numerator is x, so you will multiply this by 2 and 2. And when we have denominator 25 and numerator you have x, so you will multiply by 4 and 4. Similarly, when you have 125 in the denominator and you have x number on the numerator, you have to multiply this by 8 and 8. That's all. So for example, 20 divided by 125. What is the corresponding decimal form? 20 divided by 125, you can take 20 multiplied by 8 and here also multiplied by 8. So 20 into 8 will become 160 divided by 125 into 8 will become 1000. So your answer will be equal to 0.16. So what you have to do is multiply the numerator by 8 and divide by 1000. For example, I want 12 divided by 125. So what will be the corresponding decimal form? 12 multiplied by 8, how much? 12 multiplied by 8, how much? 96. So 96 divided by 1000, 0.096 will be my answer. So similarly, any number divided by 125, you have to multiply the numerator by 8 and divide the number by thousands. So this is the method of converting this type of special fractions into decimals. So we have learned what is conversion of special fraction, we have learned what is Pythagorean triplets, and we have learned how to divide any number by numbers like 9 and 99. If you want to divide a number by 999, that is 999, then now what is the method? For 9 we have taken one single digit at a time. When you divide a number by 99, we have made the pairs, so two digits at a time from the right. And when you divide a number by 999, what is the method used? You have to make it in a group of three digits from the right, and the method will be same. So you can continue this method for any number of 9s, like 9, 99, 999, 4 9s, any number of 9s you can use this method. Okay, so these all are very important for competitive exams, and you can save a lot of time. Of course, nowadays competitive exam means what? It's a race against time only. Questions are not tough. Actually, 2 hours and 200 questions. You have to solve 200 questions in 2 hours means what? Questions are easy, but time management is more important. So how fast you can do the calculations, that is very important. Okay, so you have to study the shortcut methods, then only you can crack your competitive exams. So prepare well, students, excel in your exam, all the very best. We'll meet again with more and more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for this beautiful channel, My Exam Coaching. We'll meet you again. Bye. Take care.